Scheduling a follow-up email after a form is submitted can be a game changer in keeping your leads engaged and moving through your funnel. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to automate this process so you can focus on what really matters, converting those leads into customers. Stick with me till the end and I'll reveal the best software for the job, plus an exclusive free trial just for you. First, let's talk about why scheduling a follow-up email is so important. After a form is submitted, whether it's for a download, a consultation, or a sign-up, you have a limited window to keep that momentum going. A timely follow-up email can nurture that lead, build trust, and increase your chances of conversion. But how do you do it efficiently? To get started, we need to set up a simple automation process within your email marketing or CRM software. The first step is to choose the right software. I've tested several popular tools out there, but the software I recommend for scheduling a follow-up email is incredibly easy to set up and use. You can sign up for an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and get started. Now, once you're in the software, you'll want to create an automated workflow that triggers an email whenever a form submission occurs. Most CRMs or email platforms have this feature. You'll select the form that you want to trigger the email. It could be anything from a contact form to a lead generation form. Just make sure to map the form submission to the trigger. Next, you'll create your follow-up email template. Keep it personal, concise, and offer value. You don't want it to be too salesy right off the bat. Maybe give them a free resource, thank them for filling out the form, and tell them what to expect next. A good follow-up email should continue the conversation and offer next steps. Now let's set the timing for the follow-up email. You want to make sure it's sent out soon enough to feel relevant, but not too soon to come off as pushy. A great rule of thumb is to schedule the follow-up to send within 15 to 30 minutes of the form submission. This keeps you fresh in their minds and shows responsiveness, which is key for building trust. Once you've got your email written and the timing set, you'll finalize the workflow. This will ensure that every time someone fills out your form, they automatically get the follow-up email at the time you've chosen. From there, you can track the success of these emails. Look at open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to make sure your follow-up strategy is working. If you're looking to take things a step further, you can even set up additional follow-up emails in the series. This way, you can create a nurturing sequence that keeps building the relationship over time, not just with one email. So to recap, here's what you need to do. 1. Choose your software and set up an automation trigger based on your form submission. 2. Create a personalized follow-up email. 3. Set the timing to send the email shortly after submission, ideally within 15 to 30 minutes. 4. Track your results and optimize from there. The key takeaway here is that a well-timed follow-up email can significantly increase your chances of converting leads. It's all about staying top of mind and adding value in your communications. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software I used in this tutorial, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.